Sorry? The animals, plants and all, we have made it into a box, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
One single box. We have made it into one single box. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, which question have we completed in our workbook? Till which question? Till which question have we completed in our workbook?
14.
Till question number 14, isn't it?
14.
Yes?
14. Yes.
Fine. Now, question number 15. Why there are so many people without the video? Amyal, Livaros, Varada, Rohit, Adina, Dan Mariani, Shameya, KP, Viraj, John, Sanahin. Where are your videos? I don't want anybody to off their video and sit there. Sanahin, where is your workbook? Take out. Viraj, where are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Okay. Viraj, you are seated? Where are you? Which place are you? You are at home or somewhere else? Viraj. Hello. Where are you? Yes, Viraj, where are you?
Home.
Home. Okay, good. So be seated somewhere, okay? Good. You have got a great scenery around your home. Nice place. Okay. Now, so we have completed till question number 14. Question number 15. Varida, can you read me question number 15?
Okay, ma'am. Which of the following animal is found in Himadri range?
Yeah. Which animal is found in Himadri range in that? Yes, Juan. Tell me what is the answer of that? What is it?
And yaks.
Yaks, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is it? Yaks.
Yeah.
So question 15, you write yak. Take the answer. Which is answer A, isn't it? Now,
Yes.
mark it in the bracket. Answer is A. And write it in the bracket, okay? Now, question number 16. Abel, read.
A hiker is going to the mountain.
He is.
Excited about seeing a pine tree and eating peaches. Which range the hiker traveling to?
Where can you find yaks, pine trees, and peaches? Yes, Juan.
Himadri range.
Yes, yes. What is it?
Himadri
Is it Himadri? Peaches and pine trees. Where is it?
Himadri.
You have made it into a box, isn't it? Yes, where is it? Check your rough book. Where can you find? Yes. One, I cannot hear you. That is a problem. Shivalik. Peaches.
Himadri. Himadri.
Himachal.
Eh?
Himadri. Himachal. Himachal.
Who is telling
Himachal.
Himadri, Himachal, Himadri, Himachal? Make it sure.
Himachal.
Himachal.
It is in.
Himadri.
Who is telling Himadri? What all are there in Himadri? Just read me. 1 second. Yes, Adinad. In Himadri, what all are there? Adinad. To read that Himadri, box of Himadri. What happened? You are not able to unmute?
Himadri mountain dogs, snow leopards.
Snow leopards and?
Mountain dogs.
And what are the plants?
Plants. Fear, cheer, deodor. Deodor.
What are the people doing over there?
Few people live in the region as a whole. People help us and help the tourist mountaineers who visit the
You
region.
have not made it into one box, isn't it? Who has made it into one box here? Nobody.
Star.
Nobody has made it into one box?
Ma'am, Abel.
Who?
Abel.
Abel, can you show me? Yes. This is what we have done in the class. Yes or no? Yes, Varada and all. Yes. Yes. This is why I made you draw it into a box. So in which range you can find this? Peaches and all. Abel, in which range? Just find it out from your book.
Himachal.
Yes. Which
Himachal.
range?
Himachal. Himachal.
Himachal. So right there. It is in Himachal range. D.
Will you send this in the WhatsApp?
Why can't you do it now? Then 17th one. And Maria.
Observe the following pictures. Identify the activities taking
Place.
place. Name the Himalayan ranges where this festival takes place.
These activities, no? These activities take place. Isn't it? You can see two pictures. Yes or no?
Yes.
And Maria, you have done it in a book, no? In the one box. Yes or no? Have you made those Himadri and Shivalik range into one box where plants, animals and all?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you can check it in that and tell me what is the first picture. By looking at the first picture, where is it happening? Which range is it happening?
Ma'am, Himadri.
Yes. What is that first picture showing? Picture A. What is it showing?
Help us from there.
Picture
Help
A. Yeah, it is
mountains.
mountaineering, isn't it? It shows. So, right, children, it shows. What is the spelling of mountain? Mountain. Earring. E-E-R-I-N-G. Mountaineering. Isn't it? It is showing mountaineering. And where is it happening?
Himadri.
Yes. This activity takes place in Himadri range. Isra, can you tell me what is the next picture showing? Picture B. Isra, can you tell me what is the next picture showing over there?
Farming.
Sorry?
Farming.
Yeah, farming, but what kind of it is? What can you find in the mountain, I mean the hill ranges? Hill stations, what you can find?
Mountain.
Can I say?
Man, can I say?
Yes, tell me.
They
Tea
are
leaf.
picking tea leaf.
Yeah, they are picking up tea leaf. It's tea plantation. They are picking the tea leaves, isn't it? So it
Yes.
shows.
I mean, this
It's
is
in Shivalik.
Shivalik.
Yes, it is in
I mean, this is
Shivalik range.
Shivalik.
It shows tea picking this activity
Short.
where is it happening?
Shivalik.
Takes place.
Shivalik.
Yes,
Shivalik.
takes place
Shivalik. Shivalik.
in Shivalik range.
Shivalik range.
This activity is place in Shivalik.
Okay. Arfan, if you completed, can you read the next question? 12th one, sorry, 18th one.
Look at the pictures of the animals. Write the names of these animals and the ranges in which they are found in the northern mountains.
Yeah. Okay. What is the first animal over there?
Horse.
Horse. Where can you find the horse? Which range?
Shivalik.
Hey, which one?
Shivalik.
Shivalik.
Hey.
Himachal range. Yes, yes. Then, Nihal, can you say which B? What is the animal?
No.
Nihal, which animal is that? In B, picture B, page number 33, picture B. Have you taken the book? Nihal, you have? Yes. In that picture B, what is that animal, dear?
Rhino.
Who is telling? Nihal itself is telling the answer. Rhino. Oh, your sound is not being heard. Okay, okay, fine. Rhino, I can see your lip moving. Okay, fine. What is it? Rhinoceros. You write here a full name of that animal, okay?
Rhino in Shivalik.
Rhinoceros is in
Shivalik range.
Shivalik range. Yes, rhinoceros is in Shivalik range. Now, Prajwal, can you tell me C? Which animal is in C?
Leopard.
It is snow
Leopard.
leopard. It's not leopard, it's leopard. Okay. Snow Leopard. Where can you find this?
Himadri.
Yes, snow leopards
Himadri,
are
ma'am.
in Himadri range.
Madri.
Then the last one. What is that last one?
Yeah.
Yak.
Gaurinanda, what is the last picture there? D.
This one?
Ah, where is D? What is D? Gaurinanda, PS, yes. What is it? Yak. Okay, where can you find? You can find it in two ranges. Which are the two ranges?
Himachal, Himadri.
Anything. I am writing here Himadri. If you wanted to write Himachal, you can write that also. It is found in Himadri, isn't it?
Ma'am, only one we want to try.
Anyone. Or if you wanted to write both, you can write that also.
Yak. Himadri.
Completed?
No. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll share the board once again. Don't worry, those who have not completed. Children, in the next question, they are asking something else. We have told that where is Himachal ranges, Himalayan ranges, where can you find it? Is it in the south or the north?
North.
North. North.
It's in the north, isn't it? It is starting from the western side of the north. I will show you the picture and tell me from where these things are starting and the ending point of.
Ma'am, question number?
I'll tell after learning this, we will go to that. Okay, don't worry. Till that much, till 17th question, everybody have completed, I hope.
18.
Those who have not completed can copy. Others, wait a minute. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Hmm? Yes. Where are the three ranges? Cannot see? Isra, can you see the picture?
Yes.
So this is the northern side, isn't it? This is the northern side. So if this is north, this part of the north is west side of the north, isn't it? And this part is the east side of the north. Yes. So we will tell it as the Himalayan ranges are starting from north west. Where is it? North west. And where is it ending? Huh? Is it east completely or northeast? What is it?
No.
It is north east. Okay. What is it, children? North east. So where is it starting? It is starting from northwest and it is ending at
Northeast.
East. Okay. And what is the state over here? Which is the state over here? Not state, sorry, union territory. Which is it? Which is a
Jammu Kashmir.
yes. Here it is
Jammu Kashmir.
Kashmir.
Ending in Assam.
Ending in Assam? No. It is ending in Arunachal.
Pradesh.
Arunachal
Arunachal
Pradesh.
Pradesh.
So where is it starting and where is it ending? It is starting in Jammu Kashmir, which is in northwest, and northeast. Where is it? Arunachal.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Sanahin, if you are looking outside and sitting, you have to go there and learn. Okay, I cannot help it. And if it is difficult for you, you have to listen to the class. Otherwise, I'm seriously helpless. So where is this Himalayan range starting? It's starting from northwest. That is Jammu and Kashmir. And northeast it is
Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh. Understood, children?
Yes.
So read the next question. 19th one.
Shade and name the following on the map.
And before shading, we will do the first question A. Question A. What is it written there?
The northern west and northern eastern Himalaya states.
Yeah. What are the states, children?
Jammu Kashmir.
Now we learn. What are the two states?
Jammu Kashmir.
So write like
Jammu
that.
Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh.
Jammu Kashmir and put a comma and write Arunachal.
Short forms.
Jammu Kashmir JK. Nice, no. Write the spelling. Jammu Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh. Understood?
Ma'am, question number?
Question number 90.
90.
I have written on the board. And next two questions we will learn it in the next class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So where does this start? Where is this? This is in
Jammu Kashmir.
Top of Jammu Kashmir. You write northwest. What is NW? It is northwest. And Arunachal Pradesh is
Northeast.
east.
Northeast.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, next question B.
Have you completed, children? Gauri Nanda PS, have you completed here?
Yes.
Yes. Can I stop share? Amil?
Yes.
Write fast, write fast.
Ma'am, I has net issue.
That. Completed. Okay. Those who have not completed, is there somebody to complete? No. So children, can I give you a small test paper?
Yes.
Yes, even if I end the meeting also, you can do it, complete it slowly, don't worry. By the time before that, there is something I have to tell you. You have to answer 2 questions by typing the answer. We have done it before. You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So even if it is showing after typing the correct answer also, if it is showing any mistakes, it's because of the spellings. So don't worry about that. I can see what answer you have typed. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Can I give you?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can we write in our
You can do it slowly even after I end the second.
Ma'am, can we write it in our own sentence?
Only one words, dear.
Okay.
There is only one word, okay?
Okay.
Who is making that drumming sound? One second.
I'm not got link.
Ah, that I will.
I'm
Yes,
link
yes.
is not
One minute. I'll send you the link, then I'll end the meeting. You do it, complete it slowly. Okay, don't worry. Simple. They can do it. No need. They have time. No, they can do it by themselves. Ah, not the test paper. Check your chat, dear.
Mama, I got it.
You got the link?
Got it.
Mama, I got it.
Ah,
I
you do it slowly. Even if I end the meeting, you can complete it. Don't be in a hurry. Submit it slowly. Okay? Everybody got the link? If somebody hasn't received the link, just put a message in the WhatsApp. I'll just give you. Okay? So I'm going to wind up, children. You do it slowly and submit it. Okay? Bye, children.